Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Simran and I make makeup, beauty and sometimes lifestyle content. So if that interests you, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do a 10-minute zoom makeup look. Believe me, this look is super quick, super effective. My skin did not look like this. My whole face did not look like this before I put on the makeup. Now this makeup look is very easy. It's beginner friendly. Anyone can do it. It's super quick. Of course, it just took me 10 minutes to transform my entire face. So if you would like to know how I get ready for super quick Zoom meetings, literally 10 minutes or less, please continue watching. Also, do not forget to like this video and check out the description box for so many links to all the products that I used in this video and all my social media handles and everything. So before we begin the makeup tutorial, I just want to give you guys a little hair tip, because if you have your hair and your outfit put together, even though it's for the Zoom thing, I just feel like your whole look just looks way more polished. So I just want to share a super simple hair hack. I don't even know if I should call it that, but it is to wear a headband or a hairband. I don't know, I've always called these hairbands. So comment down below and let me know what you guys call these, headbands or hairbands. So moving on to the main part, I just discovered that if you wear a headband or a hairband and just flick your hair back, I feel like my whole look just got a little bit more elevated and I just look a little bit more polished. Now I hope that this tip saves your life like it has saved mine so many times. Moving on to the actual makeup part, I'm going to start off with the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base. Now this is super affordable and it's a dupe for the MAC Strobe Cream in Pink Light. At least this shade is. This is the shade N03 Pink Light. Now since this is only a Zoom makeup look, I'm assuming that you are going to be at home, so you won't actually need a primer that's going to make your makeup long lasting, and you won't need to set your makeup, so those steps are already cut out. And the only reason why I'm using even this primer is because I'm actually going to use it as a liquid highlighter, putting it on the top of my cheekbones, because I feel like when you move your head around a little bit, it just looks nice on Zoom calls. You can put this wherever you want to glow, and look at the glow. Yay! Next up, I'm using the Pretty Fresh Concealer by Colourpop. This is in the shade Medium 90W and it's pretty much my perfect color match. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this on my zits and of course my under eyes to not look as tired. I feel like on Zoom and on camera in general, your under eye dark circles, for some reason they are highlighted. What I mean by that is they just look darker than they appear in real life, or maybe that's just me, but I have definitely noticed that about myself. So I'm just blending the concealer out with my hands, because none of this has to be perfect since it's only for Zoom and no one can actually zoom into your face and see all the nitty-gritty details and whether your makeup is all blended out or not. And I feel like it's faster anyways to do it with your hands rather than fussing with finding a makeup brush or a makeup sponge. My goal here is to just make my skin look a little bit better, a little bit more glowy, and yeah, just a little bit more enhanced version of myself. I don't want to do a full-on makeup look here. Now I'm not going to set my face because of the same reasons. I don't care if my makeup lasts or not, and even if it creases underneath my eyes, realistically I don't think it will be visible through the camera of your phone or of your laptop, no matter what quality it is. But if you want to set your makeup, for sure you can go ahead and do that. Next up, I'm going to fill in my brows. Now, this is another step that makes a huge difference. I'm using the Balm Furrowcious Brow Pencil in dark brown, and I'm just going to lightly fill in my brows, just give them a little bit of definition and shape so that they frame my face better. Definitely someone who loves a good thick brow, and this is one brow done versus this one. Just look at the difference. Of course, you don't have to go as bold with your brows as I have. You can keep it more subtle and more natural if that is something that you prefer. So that is my brows done. Let's move on to the eyes, and I'm going to keep it, you guessed it, simple for the eyes. So I'm going to use the Colourpop That's Taupe palette. Basically, I just want a cool toned eyeshadow. So you can use any cool toned eyeshadow that you have. You can even use a bronzer if you want to. I'm using this shade today called Rocksteady, and as you can see, it's a super cool toned shade. I've picked up a very small amount of this on my brush. My brush is not loaded at all. It's not something that I want for this look at all. You just want a small little amount, and believe me, the amount that you have on your brush matters, because if you pick up too much, it's just going to end up everywhere. I'm putting it in my crease. You can even flick it out like this if you like that elongated eye effect, which personally I love. Can you see how this eye looks much more deep set versus this eye? I'm taking this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base again, and I'm putting it on my eyelids because I really enjoy that natural sheen look on my eyelids. I'm taking the same brow pencil. I'm going to create a flick with this. It looks more natural and realistic when you use a brow pencil versus a black eyeliner or even a brown eyeliner. Let's move on to the next part, and listen. It won't be my tutorial if I don't use a shit ton of blush. So I'll be using this new product that I got from an Instagram makeup page. It's called Hainaa Beauty Lush Rouge. I'm telling you, this is the best liquid blush I have ever used, at least up until now. This is how it looks. It comes with a doe foot applicator, and this is in the shade Mallow. You literally need 1 dot of this. I'm not even kidding you. I'm still digging that whole blush over nose thing. Are you guys still into it, or have you gotten over it already? Let's go back a little bit to our eyes. I got excited about the blush and forgot to complete my eyes with mascara. Now mascara I feel like is so important. I'll be using the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes mascara. If you want a more affordable option that gives you super long lashes, go with the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift mascara. This is waterproof, so of course it holds your lashes curled up all day long. Now this is the dual-ended mascara, so I'm going to do 1 coat of like each side. I'm starting with the curl and length side first, and I'm not going to put mascara on my lower lashes. Look at this eye versus the one that's not done. It just looks so much more open, and believe me, it makes a difference. So let's move on to the lips, and I'll be using the MAC lip pencil in Whirl. I've lightly filled in my entire lip with this lip liner, and of course, as you saw, I also overlined my lips a little bit with this. On top of this, I'm going to use the same Hainaa Rouge. It's going to look very cohesive and monochromatic, with the blush tying in with the lip look. Yeah, so this is a look complete. What do you guys think of it? I love the glowy natural skin, and honestly, if I was not filming this video and talking and explaining through each step, it would have taken me about 10 minutes, or maybe a little bit even less than 10 minutes. So believe me, this is the perfect 10-minute zoom makeup look. Please let me know how do you guys like it, because I think I love it so much. I love how my skin looks. I love how my lips look. I love how my eyes look. My lashes, oh my god, I have small lashes and I crave long lashes. You guys with long lashes, I'm jealous. I'm literally jealous. Like, look, I feel like lashes make the biggest difference. Brows and lashes, it just makes you look so much more girly and awake, and your eyes just bigger. Okay, I'll stop. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. And don't forget guys, in August I'm uploading 15 videos. I'm a little bit behind on my list of videos that I want to do this month, so this week specifically I'm uploading every single day, and after that I'll be uploading every other day. So stay tuned and subscribe for new videos every single day. Also, don't forget to check out my description box for all my social media handles in case you want to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and also all the products that I used and mentioned today, I have listed and linked them in my description, so please go check out my description box for literally all the links. Thank you so much for watching this video. I loved that you joined in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.